Ever wonder which app are tracking your location? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can check exactly which app access your location today or even yesterday and take control of your privacy. To do so, open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down the screen. Under Permission Used in last 24 hours section, tap Location. Here you will see a list of apps that use location permission recently. It's split into today and yesterday, so you can clearly see which app access your location and when. Each entry shows how the location was accessed, like while using app or in the background, along with the exact time. If you want to manage it, just tap the app name and you will be able to change the permission. You can choose between allow only while using the app, as every time, or don't allow to block location access completely. So given to the function, this is a great way to find out if any app is using your location too often or in ways you don't expect and take action right away. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.